TPO roofing is seriously one of the best options if you want a durable, affordable, and energy-efficient roof for your commercial building. So here's the deal with TPO roofing. First off, it's a single-ply membrane that's super tough against stuff like mold, tears, and UV rays. It comes in colors like white, gray, and black, which not only look good but also help keep your building cooler by reflecting sunlight. Installation is faster because the sheets are wider, meaning fewer seams to worry about, which also reduces leak chances. Plus, you've got multiple ways to install it, like mechanically attached, fully adhered, or ballasted, so you can pick what fits your building best. Another cool thing, TPO handles thermal expansion and contraction better than a lot of other materials, so it stays intact longer when the weather changes. It's dirt resistant too, so your roof stays cleaner without much effort. And since it's more affordable than PVC but still energy efficient, it's a smart pick if you're watching your budget but want quality. One of the biggest mistakes people make with TPO roofing is rushing the installation without proper surface prep, which can cause premature failures. Fix this by making sure the roof deck is clean and dry before starting. Another common issue is using poor quality welding techniques on seams, leading to leaks. Always have experienced pros handle the heat welding process. Lastly, people sometimes overlook choosing the right thickness for their climate and building use. Thicker membranes are pricier but last longer and resist damage better, so pick based on your specific needs. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted, vetted local contractors for roofing and other big jobs. It also helps contractors connect with serious clients ready to get work done, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.